Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, compare the overcharging prevention test comparison between the Realme GT versus the iQOO 7 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, ask me to compare both phones. Let's see which one has got the overcharging prevention technique present in the UI. That is what my main motive of testing. And here is a USB digital tester which I am trying to use in this video for the demonstration. So right now the both phones are completely charged to 100%. So first let's check in the Realme GT. As you can see friends, the phone charged to 100%, and after 100% charge, you'll get the symbol as well which says charging complete. You'll get the indication as you can see friends, and there is no indication for the charging indication as well. Any kind of animation, nothing you cannot see. So right now let me try to close the lock screen. I'll try to unplug and plug it. The cable is the power supply as well. After certain amount of time, the charging indication will completely stop as you can see friends. But let's see, using the USB digital tester, will it stop completely or not? That is what my main point of testing in this way. So using only digital tester, there is no current is passing, 0 amperes. I'm trying to connect to the smartphone which is a Realme GT device. Right now there's certain amount of power is going on, so we should give some time, so maybe at least 1 minute or 2 minutes of time. So till then we need to just wait and see what is happening with this phone. And in the background, I'm not using any kind of applications. There is no live wallpaper, there is no 4G SIM, there is no Wi-Fi connection, nothing at all. After some time, this amperes will come down to 0. As you can see friends, after some time, so it started to show the 0 amperes, but it's not staying continuously. It's kind of changing randomly, as you can see friends. In the Realme GT smartphone, this is a Realme GT and it's a power supply. Just a small amount of power is going to the Realme GT after the phone gets charged to 100% as well, as you can see clearly. So now I'll try to use the same USB digital tester in the iQOO 7 device, and in this way we'll be able to figure out what is happening with the iQOO 7. So is the phone is behaving the same way or not? As you can see, right now 0 is showing, but again it's charging a little bit. Now let me try to remove this digital tester, and I'll try to connect to the iQOO 7 device, and let's see what happens in the iQOO 7. In iQOO 7 also charged to 100% at this moment. As you can clearly see here, 100% is charged, and right now I did close the screen. And in the initial time it will definitely charge a little bit, and after some time this ampere should come down completely to 0. Let's see what is happening after some time. So we just need to give it some time, so it doesn't happen instant. So maybe sometimes it takes 1 minute and 2 minutes. That's the reason I'm trying to give minimum 5 minutes of testing, only then I'm trying to come to the conclusion. So right now 1.12 amperes, and there is no live wallpaper, there is no background applications, there is no mobile SIM, there is no GPS, nothing running in the background. As you can see, everything mobile data, nothing, aeroplane mode only running. Right now let's see, it started to come down to 0%, 0 amperes within very fast amount of time. It's right now showing 0.10 amperes, not bad, 0.7, 12 amperes it's showing. And the volts also decreased from 9 to 5. And right now at any moment we will be able to see the 0 amperes. So once after the battery get completely filled. So right now as you can see friends, the iQOO 7 device still it's taking some kind of power, but on the lock screen you can clearly see it says fully charged, and there is no indication of the power symbol as well. As you can see, there is no indication, but the ampere meter is showing some kind of power is entering into the device. Even after a long time of testing, I did keep the phone side for about close to 5 to 10 minutes of time, but still I was able to detect some small power is going into the device. But maybe this has happened before, after the update I think so, because before the update I did not see any kind of issues like this. It was able to completely keep at 0 amperes after the fully charged, but right now it's kind of power is entering into the device. So I'll try to show you another video friends where I did upload similar kind of thing. Is the video which I did uploaded, iQOO 7 versus MI9X versus OnePlus 9R. So once after you check this video, you will definitely understand what is happening with this iQOO 7 device. So before the software update 2 months back, I did do the testing, overcharging prevention test, and phone was able to completely all come to the 0 as well in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, it's the exact device which I'm trying to show you, iQOO 7 smartphone only in this video. If you watch this video, you will definitely understand. As you can see friends, iQOO 7 animation and everything, it came down to 0, but right now it's not coming to 0 in terms of the overcharging prevention technique. As you can see clearly, This 2 months back I did upload on the iQOO 7 device only, but maybe because of the software update I think so it might be happen, but I'll try to test again friends later on as well. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones in terms of the overcharging prevention support. Right now the Realme GT was able to take very small amount of power, maybe 3 and 4 amperes, but iQOO 7 was able to is taking random power 12 amperes, more than 10 amperes. So I mean 0.10 amperes, not 10. So 0.14 amperes as you can see, 0.13 amperes. It's very small amount of power, but still slightly more than the Realme GT. I just want to say in the video friends, and there's no charging symbol as well. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and see in the next video friends. I'll get straight to more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.